Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Redbubble. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you, or whatever browser you have downloaded in your PC. It could be Google Chrome, it could be Opera, Microsoft's Edge, Firefox, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So, whenever you open your browser, just go to this URL section and simply type redbubble.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you to this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Redbubble website. So here you'll have simply to click on login so you can log in into your account if you have an account, and simply enter your email username and then password so you can log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll have to go and click on sign up so you can create an account. As you can see, you can create an account as a customer or as an artist. So choose whatever suits you, then simply enter your email, username, and password, and then click on sign up. So once you're logged in or you create your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen of the Redbubble. Here you'll find a lot of products for yourself in this For You page. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, I would like to show you how to use it or how to use the Redbubble website. And of course, once you are here, click on your account at the top right corner, then click on sell your art because that's the main reason is simply buying some art or selling your art. So you can here go and choose some arts that you like. Let's say an example, this one, click on it. And as you can see, you'll have here a lot of things that this art is printed to, and you can buy whatever you want. Or you can, for yourself, sell your art by clicking at your account, then click on sell your art. And here you'll have to follow these steps. You'll have to create your product. You'll have 5 designs. You can add 5 designs, then set up your shop, then get paid. In order to do all of this, of course, you'll have to complete these steps as well. So to set up your shop, you'll have to do this. To get paid, you'll have to do this. And that's how you use the Redbubble website. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.